You bought a fresh, beautiful head of lettuce 3 days ago. Now look at it. Limp, soggy, and heading straight for the bin. Again. Here's the thing. It's not bad luck. It's not even the store's fault. It's the way you're storing it. Today, I'm going to show you 6 different methods to keep your lettuce crisp, fresh, and vibrant for up to 2 weeks. And I'll start with something even more powerful. A trick that can actually bring wilted lettuce back to life before it's too late. Let's get into it. After rinsing, let the lettuce drain completely so there's no excess water left. Fill a large bowl or basin about halfway with water, then add ice to make it very cold. If you already have cold water, you can use that instead. Put all the lettuce leaves into the cold water and make sure they are fully submerged. If some leaves float, gently press them down with a few ice cubes. The colder the water, the faster the lettuce will regain its crisp texture. Place the bowl in the fridge and let the ice melt slowly. If the lettuce is only a little wilted, leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. If it is more wilted, you can soak it for a few hours or even longer until it recovers and stays fresh. Try not to use very small ice cubes since they melt too fast and won't keep the water cold for long. After soaking, take Method 1. Storing lettuce in a Ziploc bag. When you bring lettuce home, remove the outer leaves first. These are usually the most damaged from transport and handling, so it's better to take them off early. Wash the lettuce under cold running water. Gently move the leaves apart so every part gets properly cleaned. After washing, dry the lettuce completely using paper towels or a salad spinner if you have one. This step matters a lot. Any leftover water will make the lettuce go bad faster. Once it is fully dry, take a storage bag and place a folded paper towel inside. Put the lettuce in, but avoid packing it too tightly because that can crush the leaves. Seal the bag loosely. Don't close it all the way. Leave a small opening so air can circulate while still protecting the leaves from drying out. Store the bag in the vegetable drawer of your fridge. After about a week, check the paper towel. If it feels damp, replace it with a dry one. This helps control moisture and keeps the lettuce fresh for longer. Method 2. Storing lettuce in a glass of water like a bouquet. If your lettuce still has the root base attached, don't rush to store it in a bag or fridge right away. Instead, place it in a glass of water, like a small bouquet. This helps it stay fresh longer and also looks nice in your kitchen. Start by checking the base. If it looks dry, trim about 0.5 to 1 centimeter from the bottom using a sharp knife. Do this once only, then leave it as it is. Use a glass jar or similar container and add about 2 to 3 centimeters of water. Place only the base of the lettuce into the water. Do not submerge the whole head. Cover the leaves loosely with a plastic bag to reduce moisture loss. Make sure it is not wrapped tightly. Keep the container in the refrigerator or in a cool place if you plan to use the lettuce soon. Replace the water every 2 to 3 days to prevent bacteria from building up. This method is great if you want easy access to fresh lettuce over time. The leaves stay crisp and fresh, almost like they were just harvested, as long as the water is changed regularly. Method 3. Wrapping the base with a damp paper towel. Lettuce needs moisture to stay fresh. When the base dries out, the whole head quickly starts to wilt and lose its crisp texture. Wrapping the base with a damp paper towel helps solve this by giving steady moisture without making the leaves wet. Start with a whole head of lettuce that still has the base attached. Take a paper towel or clean kitchen towel and lightly dampen it using a spray bottle or a small amount of water. It should be moist, not wet or dripping. Wrap the damp towel around the base or core of the lettuce. If needed, secure it loosely with a rubber band or plastic wrap. Keep the leaves uncovered. Only the base should be wrapped. This part is important because the base absorbs moisture and distributes it through the whole plant. This keeps the leaves fresh, crisp, and green for longer, while avoiding excess water on the leaves. Place the wrapped lettuce inside a ventilated plastic bag or a container with the lid slightly open.
Then store it in the vegetable drawer of your fridge, where it stays cool and slightly humid. Every 3 to 4 days, check the towel. If it feels dry, dampen it again lightly. This simple method can keep lettuce fresh for about a week. The leaves stay crisp and bright, and it doesn't require any special tools.
Method 4. Storing lettuce with plastic wrap. This method works best for whole heads of lettuce, like iceberg or romaine. Plastic wrap helps lock in moisture and protects the leaves from drying out in the fridge. Start by rinsing the lettuce under cold running water. Let it drain completely, then use paper towels to remove any leftover moisture. This step is very important. If the lettuce stays damp, condensation can form inside the wrap and make it spoil faster instead of staying fresh. Once the lettuce is fully dry, wrap it tightly with plastic wrap. You can cover the cut base or wrap the whole head, depending on how you plan to store it. The wrap helps keep the natural moisture inside while protecting the lettuce from cold, dry air in the refrigerator that normally causes wilting. With a few layers of plastic wrap, the lettuce can stay fresh for much longer. The leaves often stay crisp and crunchy for over 10 days, almost like they were freshly picked. This is one of the simplest ways to keep lettuce fresh at home. Method 5. Storing lettuce in a food container. If you'd like your lettuce to stay fresh, crisp, and protected from bruising, storing it in a food container is a great option. Begin by washing the lettuce thoroughly. Separate the leaves gently and allow them to dry completely. You can pat them dry with paper towels to remove any remaining moisture. Line the bottom of a clean container with a sheet of paper towel. Add a layer of lettuce leaves, then place another paper towel on top. Continue building alternating layers of lettuce and paper towels until the container is filled. The paper towels help manage moisture by soaking up excess humidity while preventing the leaves from drying out. This balance helps maintain the lettuce's texture and freshness. Instead of sealing the container tightly, leave the lid slightly open. A small amount of airflow helps reduce moisture buildup and keeps the lettuce in better condition. Store the container in the vegetable drawer of your refrigerator, where the humidity level is ideal for leafy greens. Using this technique, lettuce can often remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. It's especially useful for anyone who likes to prepare salad ingredients ahead of time. Another advantage of this method is that it keeps the refrigerator tidy and organized. The leaves stay firm and crisp without becoming soggy, and their fresh flavor is preserved for days. Method 6. Prepare the salad in advance. For those who enjoy meal prepping or want a quick and healthy meal ready to go, making the salad ahead of time is an excellent option. It helps keep fresh ingredients ready for the week, while saving time each day. Start by chopping the lettuce into bite-sized pieces and placing it in a large mixing bowl. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half and slice the cucumber into thin rounds or fine strips, depending on your preference. To make the dressing, combine 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a small bowl, removing any seeds if necessary. Since cherry tomatoes already add natural sweetness, you can adjust the amount of lemon juice to suit your taste. Add a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a small amount of ground black pepper. If you'd like a slightly sweeter flavor, mix in about half a teaspoon of honey. Stir until the ingredients are fully blended. Add the tomatoes and cucumber to the bowl with the lettuce. Pour the dressing over the vegetables little by little, then gently toss everything together. Be careful not to overmix, as this can damage the lettuce and reduce its crispness. Transfer the salad to a serving dish. For a more attractive presentation, garnish the top with a few extra cherry tomato halves. The result is a fresh, colorful salad that's ready to enjoy whenever you need a quick and delicious meal. 6 methods. 6 ways to stop wasting food and start making your groceries actually last. Whether you go with the Ziploc bag, the bouquet trick, plastic wrap, or full-on meal prep, the biggest change you can make is just being intentional about it the moment you bring lettuce home. Try one of these this week and see what a difference it makes. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe, because next time I'm diving into how to keep herbs like cilantro and basil fresh for weeks, not days.
See you in the next one.